Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm going to be cleaning my refrigerator. We try to run it down as much as possible to start a new year. So I'm going to go through everything. I'm going to clean the fridge because I have a grocery haul. What you can get with $200. And you know, my husband got paid today, so we had to go and do grocery because we need it, guys. We need it. Even though I still have stuff, I always like to have extra for when my grandson shows up. So guys, this is a cleaning video, so come and clean with me. Right now, what I'm going to do, I like to take everything out of the refrigerator, clean my complete refrigerator. So I am going to do that. I'm going to take everything out and then I'll bring you guys back. I don't know about you guys, but I usually clean by parts. So took all the shelf out of the door and then clean that. And then I take out the last one once I finish here and I accommodate everything. I went through the dates on some things and I got rid of some things. They were either about to expire. Because if it's here, that means that I am not use it. Plus, it was basically the bottom of the jars. So, yeah, guys. I hope and I pray the new year is a better one. And guys, since I am here, I want to make a few announcements. Guys, we have the Vantage Valentine's coming up. Wreath Galore coming up as well. Decorate your tier tray coming up. Guys, check out my community tab and check out the Grace Life DIY community tab. She posted her calendar for January, so you guys can write all of them down. Yeah, guys, go ahead and do that because we have a lot of open collaboration, guys. I already washed my shelves, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to dry them up and put them back and move on to the last shelf and start. Ooh, this water is hot. My word. I tell you one thing, no germ will live in my hands with this water. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna pause you guys. I'm gonna dry my I'm gonna dry this stuff. And then I'm going to move on to another part of the refrigerator. All right, guys. Well, I wanted to show you what I'm getting rid of. This tartar sauce, you guys could tell. Mayonnaise, bottom of the barrel. You guys could see through there. And this. And this is funny because these are stuff that my grandson used and my husband used. And for some reason, they always leave it in there like I could do something with it. And so far that's it, guys. So far that's it. Now I'm going to be doing the, oops, sorry, you guys can see. Now I'm going to, the door is all set. Now I'm going to be doing the refrigerator itself, and then I will be moving on to my freezer. I don't know, for some reason the freezer door is the one that goes the most dirty. I don't get it, guys. I really don't get it. But anyway, that's where I am right now. And then I have a grocery haul, which my tiny little refrigerator is going to be packed. So, yeah, guys. The reason why I always stock up my refrigerator is because you guys know my grandson comes over. And sometimes my daughter wants me to cook something for her, so I cook it here and I bring it to her. And my son usually stop by and also eat with us. So yeah, guys, I always keep my refrigerator stocked for that reason. Because you never know, your kids, they might be out of the house, but they still always come home to eat. All right, guys. So let me continue cleaning the refrigerator. Check out what else is not good on the other side. And if it's good and I could use it right away to cook, I will be using it for dinner tomorrow. All right, guys. I'm going to pause you. I'm going to take everything out of here, which is not much, and clean all my shelves out. And of course, when you clean your refrigerator, guys, make sure you sanitize it as well, because bacteria grows. Even if you got it clean, bacteria grows. So what I do is I dilute a little bit of I take like a teaspoon of bleach, and then I dilute it with some water. First I clean it with soap, then I do that and I clean it really good, and then I go over again and I wipe everything down to make sure there's no smell of bleach in my refrigerator. And I've been doing that for many years, guys, many years. And I threw out 2 days ago, I threw out the box of baking soda. Put a box of baking soda in your refrigerator. You could buy the store brand, which is cheap, and that will absorb any food smell. All right, guys, so let me take everything out and get to the finish of the refrigerator. Yeah, guys, here's the cake that I make on Sunday, this past Sunday. If you didn't watch that video, guys, go and check it out. You could learn how to elevate a box cake. Yeah, this is from a box, and it doesn't taste like a box cake. So my husband loves his cake, so I like making it for him. So I'm gonna put it on the side so I could keep cleaning. So let me cover it, guys. So all right, my refrigerator is already empty. In the back of the refrigerator I found that, which no need to save. A little bit of my sofrito, which I will be using, and some little tomatoes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be making is maybe a beef stew or something, and I crush them and I put them in there because they're starting to get like the wrinkly, and before completely they go bad, guys, just use them now. If they have mold, that's a different story. You have to throw them out, but no, they don't have mold. So yeah, guys, my refrigerator is empty in there. I gotta take out here. That's it, guys. That's all I have. And the cabbage is basically finished. So I'm going to chop that up, put it in the stew like I said. I made some weird different stew for me, but my husband is very particular. But me, I love cabbage, so I could do that. So now I'm going to take that size. I'm going to take out the shelf, wash them, sanitize them, clean the rest of the refrigerator, and then I'll be right back, guys. I am in my last shelf. So I already did. See, I wash, dry, sanitize, wash, dry, sanitize. So it takes me at least 25 minutes to do the whole refrigerator on the bottom. And I still haven't touched the freezer. So my refrigerator completely done. It will be like 35 minutes to 45 minutes. So let me finish this and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, I am done with the bottom part. So now to add my stuff that I usually use. This is already open. So adding the new ones to the back. I'm also showing you part of my grocery haul. So yeah, guys, always use your own product first. You guys know I love my pickles. So adding that there. I will add the tomatoes. I will be using this tomorrow. This is no good. No good. Well, okay, that's that. This. That's that. All right, I'm going to stack up my refrigerator. Once completely stacked up, I'll show it to you guys. So guys, I'm done with refrigerator. I had to take a pause, eating something. My dog came to warn me. I didn't realize my sugar was dropping, but I'm gonna show you. Freezer is full, so full. Still has space on my door, so you guys can see from over there. Still have plenty of space on my refrigerator. The bread, we keep it in the fridge because we don't eat that much bread and we don't want it to go bad. So that's what I keep it. Of course, my potatoes, my lettuce, my onions, my cilantro, my baby carrots, everything inside the drawer where it's supposed to be. I have 2.5 dozen of eggs. Yeah, guys, refrigerator's full. Thank God. I still have my cereals, my rice, my sugar, my soda. I drink diet soda. So yeah, guys, that's it. So I'm gonna leave it like I always say: be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.